Today we'll be making Christmas pinwheel cookies. We'll definitely bring the holiday cheer with this sweet treat.
Here are the ingredients you will need. 3 cups of all-purpose flour, a half teaspoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of cold unsalted butter, 1 1/3 cups of sugar, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, red and green food coloring, and sprinkles. First, in a medium bowl, sift together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Then set it aside for now. Next, in the bowl of a stand mixer fitted with the paddle attachment, green the butter until smooth, about 2 minutes. Add the sugar and continue beating until light and fluffy. Add the eggs, one at a time, beating between each addition and stopping the stand mixer to scrape down the sides as needed. Then, beat in the vanilla extract. After you're done, turn the mixer off, then add the flour mixture and beat just until combined. Later, remove the dough and divide it in half. Afterwards, return half of the dough to the stand mixer along with your desired amount of red food coloring. Mix until the dough is a red color you are satisfied with, then transfer the dough to plastic wrap, shaping it into an 8-inch square. Wrap it securely and place it in the fridge. Repeat the coloring process with the other half of the dough, mixing it with your desired amount of green food coloring. Then, wrap the green dough in plastic wrap and refrigerate both doughs for 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, remove the dough from the fridge and cut each in half to form 2 rectangles of red dough and 2 rectangles of green dough. Refrigerate 1 red and 1 green piece of dough while you roll out the others. Next, roll each piece of dough between 2 pieces of wax paper until it is a rectangle about 1/8 inch thick. Peel off the top layer of wax from the green dough, then put it on top of the red, peeling off the wax paper so that you have the red and green dough stacked on top of one another. Lightly roll the 2 layers together, then trim the shorter end of the log. Wrap the dough log securely in plastic wrap and refrigerate it for 1 hour. Repeat the rolling, stacking, and refrigerating process with the remaining 2 pieces of dough. After the dough is chilled, place the sprinkles in a large shallow pan. Remove the plastic wrap from the dough logs, then roll them in the sprinkles. Rewrap the dough logs in plastic wrap, then refrigerate them for an additional 2 hours until firm. When you're ready to bake, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. While the oven is heating, remove the dough from the fridge and slice each log into 1/4 inch circles. Arrange the cookies on the baking sheet, spacing them out about 2 inches apart. Then, bake the cookies for 9 to 11 minutes. Remove them from the oven, then let them cool on the baking sheets for 5 minutes before transferring them to a rack to cool completely. Here's the final results!
That's it for this holiday baking segment. Happy holidays, guys!